I'm Cadet Miggy Dwight Mirarza, and I'm here to demonstrate on how to get the Great Circle Sailing. So I have given here the latitude 8, which is 48 degree 30 minutes north, while on longitude we have 5 degrees 10 minutes west. B is 22 degrees 0 minutes south, while on longitude it is 40 degrees and 40 minutes west. We have to find the DLAT and DLong. So in DLAT, when we have different direction, we have to add it. So the DLAT is 70 degrees 30 minutes north, while on longitude, when the direction is same, we have to subtract it. So the DLong is 35 degrees 30 minutes west. So let's move to great circle distance. On getting the great circle distance, we have this formula: cos d long times cos lat 1 times cos lat 2 plus sin lat 1 times sin lat 2. So we have to add the values. Cos d long, our d long is 35 degree 30 minutes times cos lat 1 is 48 degree 30 minutes times, and cos lat 2 is 22 degree plus sin lat 1 48 degree 30 minutes times sin lat 2 22 degree. So we have 7.8. Then we have to inverse it to cosine, which is 38.67231783, and then 38.67231783, then times 60 is equals times 60 is 2320.33907 nautical miles. 2320.33907 nautical miles. So this is our great circle distance. After getting, you have 55.1833923. Convert it to degree. You have 55 degree 11 minutes north. So this is our latitude of vertex. So after getting the latitude of vertex, let's move to longitude of vertex. And getting the longitude of vertex, so the formula is cos initial course over sin lat of vertex. So we have to write it. Cos 59 degree 30.2 minutes over sine 55 degree 11 minutes. Cosine 59 degree 30.2 minutes over sine 55 degree 11 minutes. So we have 0.618. Then we have to inverse it to sine, which is 38.18094067. 1809. Then we have to convert it to make it a degree form. 38 degree 30 38 degree 10 minutes west. So this is my longitude of vertex. So after getting the initial course, let's move to the vortex. First, we have to find the latitude of vortex. So this is the formula: cos lat 1 times sine initial course. So we have to write it to avoid confusion. Cos the latitude 1 is 48 degree 30 minutes times sine initial course is 59 point 502 89965. But first, I will convert this initial course into degree form. Cosine 48 degree 30 minutes times sine I will convert this 59.5028965. So this is the in degree form. 59 degree 30.2 minutes. So we have to get the cos 48 degree 30 minutes times sine 59 degree 30.2 minutes. After getting it, you have to convert it to cos 55.18. After getting the great circle distance, we have to move to initial course. So this is the formula: cos lat 2 times sine d long over sine distance. Then you have to convert it to degree. So we have to solve it. cos lot 2, then the lot 2 is 22 degree times sine d long is 35 degree 30 minutes over sine 38.67231783. So this is the answer. Then you have to invert it to sine. So 59.50289965. Then you have to convert it to degree. 59 degrees 30.2 minutes west, or you have to subtract 180 degrees minus 59 degree 30.2 minutes. Then you will get the true course, which is 120 degrees 29 minutes. 120 degrees 29 minutes. True. So this is my initial course.